1. Make someone spray themselves with water. For a simple and easy prank, head to your kitchen sink and bring a rubber band with you. Tie the rubber band around the trigger on a hose attachment. When someone goes to turn the sink on, water will spray out of the hose and give them a surprise shower. 2. Coat a bar of soap in clear nail polish. If you have a bar of soap and some clear nail polish, you've got an April Fool's Day prank in the making. To do this prank, coat the bar of soap in the clear nail polish and allow it to dry. When someone goes to wash their hands, they will be quite puzzled to find that the soap isn't working. 3. Takes batteries out of remotes. A simple trick you can play on your family members or housemates is to remove the batteries from any remotes. When they go to turn on the TV, nothing will happen, causing them to wonder what's going on. For extra fun, try replacing the batteries with something silly like baby carrots, or leaving a note that says April Fools.